what's been really helpful, Christine, is that the Bitcoin community, the Ethereum community, people who own or play a role in digital assets have been tweeting their senators about their support for the amendment. They've been helping educate their senators. It has brought the expertise of the digital asset community in touch with their senators. So now they're starting to have a dialogue for probably the first time ever. And it's just been a great experience.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Plus, the 3 Kids books is time to re-educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, the market is flat. Market cap hit 1.9 trillion. That was the first time since May. But we are seeing institutional outflows, guys. So even though Bitcoin has moved from 29,000 up to about 45,000, $16,000 move, we still have selling pressure. Now, we have Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, bullish on Ethereum. Also, we have Mike McGlone from Bloomberg says Ethereum can move Bitcoin up to 100K. But guys, we definitely know that's not happening right now. We know it definitely can happen later on. But we know what the Fed has to do, and that's build its fourth industrial revolution. We know once they start tapering, we're going to have the stock market and cryptos get hit. But we know when it comes to that utility bull run, that 1% is going to rise. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators, as that's going to be very, very important over the next 2 weeks. So we have volume, we have Tether, which Tether has claimed that has increased total assets by $21 billion in new accounting review. We have USDC. Plus, guys, we have the Fed. Remember, they did $900 billion on Friday, another $900 billion on Monday. That was $1.8 trillion in the market. So definitely, guys, we'll have a pullback because we know that money is going to be coming due. So yes, we're moving up right now, but we're definitely going to have a pullback. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And then we're going to run into the weekend. I don't see a big pump, but I definitely see us moving up. And then, of course, guys, we're going to have back, and that is on the 19th. And, guys, you know I go over this with you every single month. Get yourselves prepared for a dip. Unless we see some type of big news come out, get yourself prepared for a dip. Do not allow the dip to scare you, guys. And then, plus, guys, make sure we're keeping our eye on Grayscale. Their assets are very important because they move up and down billions of dollars. That's going to move the market. Do not keep your eyes off the Grayscale whale. And then plus, guys, we have futures that following week. We normally get a week in between back and futures, not this month. So basically we have back, and then the next week we're going to have futures. Now let's get over into a little crypto news. We have AMC plans to accept Bitcoin by 2022. We know in the United States that's not a big deal, but we know over in Asia that may be a big deal, but they're not going to be accepting Bitcoin. They're going to be accepting the digital yuan. Now we have BitMEX scores multi-year deal with AC Milan to put the logo on the match kit. And we know the New World Order works off of image, guys. Also, we have Axie Infinity overtakes NBA Top Shots and weekly NFT transactions. Now we have DraftKings, and guys, we know how big betting is going to be, and already is. We have DraftKings goes live with an NFT marketplace in partnership with Tom Brady Autograph. So guys, we definitely see the adoption. We definitely see the puppets, the big names. Remember, actors, actresses, athletes. As soon as they put their name on it, of course, the people start paying attention. Now we have web traffic to crypto exchanges continue to fall in July. Now, when the masses hear about crypto, the only thing they're thinking about is trading like the stock market and making money. They have no clue of what the fourth industrial revolution is going to look like and how important cryptos are going to be, and it's going to change your life forever. And this is how the New World Order gets away with planning and changing a whole generation mindset without them even knowing. Crypto made a buzz around making money. So if the masses don't see an avenue of them making money, they're not paying attention to it because they think it's not going to affect them. And this is a master plan that has been done time and time again. And this is all based on Freemasonry. While the masses are distracted, the builders are building. And they're moving in this fourth industrial revolution. And by the time the masses wake up, the algorithms, the drones have already replaced them. Now we have Broadridge adds UBS to its distributed ledger repo product. And basically what that's going to do again, guys, is lower costs via smart contracts. So we see these banks are really not going to be paying anything because all of it's imaginary, but we're still going to be paying the same amount. And on top of it, guys, you're going to have all these people out of work getting free money. And like David R3 said, you have 3 to 6 months to spend this money in order to boost the economy. If not, poof, that money is gone. There's not going to be any more saving for those who are getting free money. Now we have investors are shelling out 6 figures for pet rock NFTs. And guys, we see how NFTs have helped so much with adoption. First, it was Dogecoin, and then the NFTs came right behind it. So we see how the New World Order is planning this out, and then just like I stated, it's working to a perfection. And lastly, guys, we have crypto regulator says easing of restrictions in Japan must wait. And guys, if you watch my Society 5.0 video, we know the fourth industrial revolution was planned out in Japan. So the fact is that definitely crypto is not going to wait. This is all a plan, all an agenda to bring the globe to crypto, digital economy. Same thing when we're looking at this actual language that they have in the infrastructure bill. What did it do, guys? It got people talking, people with money, not just the kids looking at crypto, the younger generation. You're talking about an infrastructure bill. So you have intelligent people with money actually looking at this. Oh, they're putting crypto in the infrastructure bill. Oh, we better take this serious. And I'm looking at social media and I'm seeing a lot of older people, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, now talking about crypto. And that's how you get a move. We know these senators know nothing about crypto. We know all the speeches that we've heard, they've already been written already by the New World Order. But when they're speaking, they're 60, 70, 80 years old. We know the older generation are looking at them. Now they're being educated. So we definitely see the transition happening. We know that digital yuan starts up in the Olympics in February of next year. And we know China is the blueprint. They're going to blow China up like they blew up America. Remember the narrative. And then all of a sudden the world is going to follow. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's so important, guys. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. I put out a new video yesterday, guys. Please go check it out. It's so important. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, gather own stocks, the Seabird, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids' books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.